Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Tempo Face Swap video editor that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here, so search in Tempo. Alright, so here it is, Tempo Music Video Maker. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this app: flash power effect, photo to video with 3D effect, various templates, 100+ templates, update every day, emoji background, add stickers with one touch, animation templates, cartoonize yourself, simple and fun one-click editing, add visual effects and stickers, change templates, audio, choose your favorite music, get more likes, share to friends, get more likes, and so on. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Tempo is the best music video editor with amazing effects and transitions. As a free music video maker, Tempo has a lot of popular themes, special subtitles available for editing, and a wide variety of music to choose from. Tempo is also a great choice for beginners who want to make awesome videos with ease. You can also use the features called Face Swap. Swap your face to celebrities or movie characters with just one click. Special face changing function makes your video unique. Multiple shots supported, and we can switch filters freely as you wish. Music video maker and effects. Tempo offers the best editing tools for you to quickly trim, merge, reverse, rotate video clips, and add music easily. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Terms and services. Okay, check this and agree and continue. Okay, so here it is. This is the interface. Alright, so this is just an example of what you can do with this app. Okay, right now we're on the home page or the dashboard. So as you can see, AI face, these are the examples that you can do with this app. So as you can see, a short videos where you can change your face. So just have to select any of these predefined templates in here. Male, if you want to use the male AI face, then just use this one. And then popular tab is where you can see all of these. These are the most popular or trending templates right now. So you just have to scroll down and look for the best that suits your needs. Then new. Okay, these are the newly updated effects. And then TikTok, there, animations, and so on. So there's really a lot. So love, trend, friend, anime, beats, lyrics, sad, meme, and so on. So let's use the male AI face for this example. And let's try this one. Vietnamese Special Forces, let's try this. And then recommend to use one pictures, let's try this one. Agree. And okay, so start uploading pictures. All right, and let's use Jackie Chan's photo as an example. Let's try this one if it's going to work. Alright, so here it is. So video is making, please do not exit. So 10% complete. Let's just wait for it to reach 100% and we will see the result. Alright, so here it is. Let's close that one. And okay, so as you can see, the face has changed to Jackie Chan. So there. And then here at the bottom you will see save to album, share with friends. So you have the option to share to your social media like TikTok, WhatsApp, Likey, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, Snapchat, and more. So it's up to you. But this is already saved to our phones. You can see save to album. Alright, we can now go back and choose another one. You can also add this to your favorites by tapping this one here, the star icon, and this one is where you want to share it to your friends. via social media platform. Alright, so that's how easy it is to use this application. You just have to select a photo or pictures of yourself, and then it's going to swap it. So these are the examples that you can replace their image or their face. And then popular, this is the popular right now. You can also try this one. So you just have to look for the best. So you just have to look for the best filter for your editing. So this one is also good as well, Korean comics. All right, so there, let's try this one. All right, and let's use this one, and then checked. So making video, let's wait for it to complete. All right, so here it is. So there, it has been cartoonized. So here you can share it to your friends via social media. So that's how easy it is to use this application, and I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to customize their photos or videos, who wants to get popular on social media. Then try using filters like these. It will really help you in your journey to become the next social media star. So again, you just have to look for the effects that you wanted to use. There's really a lot actually. So you just have to search it by scrolling down. This is for TikTok. There's really a lot. So Demon Slayer, this is in the anime part. This one is also cool. This one is cool as well. Let's go ahead and try the 3D stereo photos. Okay, it's going to look like that. Okay, it's kind of amazing. Let's go ahead and try this one. Then we'll use this one, this one. So there, it's really amazing. And then once you're done with that, you can actually add music by tapping this one here. So there, you can change it. You can change the volume as well. Then change the song by tapping the change, and then you have the option to select classic. Now if you want to remove it, then just tap the remove. Then the music will remove. This one here, if you want to change the pictures, so I prefer that one. And since I'm already good with this, then I'm just going to export it, and you have the option to export it using the 1080p, 720 and 480p. So I recommend the highest resolution, which is 1080p. Select that and it's going to be exported. So let's wait for it, since right now it's being processed by the system, so it's going to take for a while. Alright, it's done, and here it is. So this is the final result, and yes, it's really amazing. I really like the filters, the effects that's been applied to Jackie Chan's photo. So you can now share it to your friends via TikTok, WhatsApp, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, Snapchat, and so on. Alright, let's go back, and then you can choose more if you want to. So I'm just showing it to you how easy it is to use this application, and again, have fun and swap your face to celebrities or movie characters just with just one click. So these are the amazing filters and effects that you can use for your photos or videos. So just you just have to look for the one that you really want to. Effects, these are the effects. Let's check this one, and also this one. It has the anime effect, emoji there. It's really amazing. So it's been cartoonized, then festival, and so on. And if you go in here, if you tap this one, you will see all of the things that we have done so far. So our videos, these are the videos that we have completed so far, and then favorites, we have added one. So that's how you use this, and I hope that you have learned something for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.